Let's stretch our way to a healthier tummy. Welcome, team. Are you ready to feel fantastic? Today, we're talking about stretching, an amazing way to kickstart your fitness journey right from your living room. You might wonder, can stretching really help with belly fat? Absolutely. It's a key piece of the puzzle. Stretching lowers stress, which is crucial for tackling stubborn tummy fat. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that tells your body to store more fat, especially around your belly. The good news? Calming activities like stretching help bring those cortisol levels down. By adding gentle stretches to your day, you're actively fighting stress-related weight gain. Stretching boosts circulation, delivers oxygen to your muscles, and revs up your metabolism. It's like giving your body a daily tune-up. Plus, it feels incredible to release tension from your back, shoulders, and hips. Forget about crunches or marathons. Start with small, manageable steps that make you feel good. Stretching is gentle, effective, and perfect for any fitness level. It prepares your body for more activity and kickstarts a healthier, happier you. Let's get ready to stretch it out. Stretch it. Let's get down to business. Here are my top 7 beginner-friendly stretches for a toned tummy. First, Cobra Pose. Lie on your stomach, gently push your chest up, and feel the stretch in your abs and back. Hold each stretch for 20-30 seconds and breathe deeply. Next, Cat-Cow stretch. On hands and knees, arch your back up like a cat, then dip it down like a cow. Great for your spine and core. Bridge Pose. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips. This works your glutes, hamstrings, and core. Seated side bend. Sit cross-legged, reach one arm overhead and bend to the side to stretch your obliques. Bow Pose. Lie on your stomach, grab your ankles, and lift your chest and thighs. This opens up your whole front body. Wind-relieving pose. On your back, hug your knees to your chest. Great for digestion and your lower back. Standing torso. Twist. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Gently twist your upper body side to side to wake up your core. These stretches target your abs, improve flexibility, and help you feel amazing. No equipment needed, just your body and a little space. Remember, stretching should feel good, never painful. Breathe deeply and enjoy each movement. Ready to try them? Let's go. Your journey to a leaner tummy starts here. Let's break down a few key stretches so you know exactly what to do. Cobra Pose. Lie face down, hands under shoulders. Inhale, gently lift your chest, keeping elbows slightly bent. Hold, then lower down. Cat-Cow. On all fours, inhale and arch your back, cow. Exhale and round your spine, cat. Flow between these for a minute. Bridge Pose. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Exhale, lift your hips, squeeze glutes, hold, then lower down slowly. Seated side bend. Sit cross-legged, one hand on the floor, other arm overhead. Bend to the side, hold, then switch sides. Each stretch hold for 20-30 seconds. Breathe deeply and focus on your form. Move slowly and listen to your body. Don't rush. Quality over quantity. These moves are simple but powerful. Practice them daily for best results. You'll notice more flexibility and less tension. Remember, consistency is key. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Fantastic work. Starting your fitness journey is exciting. Let's keep it safe and fun. Listen to your body. Stretches should feel like a gentle pull, never pain. If something hurts, ease off right away. Progress, not perfection. Be kind to yourself. Consistency matters more than duration. 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough. Build stretching into your daily routine, morning or evening, whatever works for you. Make it enjoyable. Play calming music. Find a comfy spot and make it your me time. Track your progress. Mark your calendar or take before and after photos. Notice improvements in energy, sleep, and how your clothes fit. Celebrate every small win. Breathe deeply. Inhale as you prepare. Exhale as you stretch. Mindful breathing helps your muscles relax and turn stretching into a moving meditation. Stay positive and enjoy the process. You've got this. That's it, team. A simple, effective way to start your journey to a healthier, leaner tummy. Stretching reduces stress, boosts metabolism, and helps you connect with your body. Do these 7 stretches daily for a strong foundation. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day. No fancy equipment needed. Be consistent, listen to your body, and celebrate every session. This is about building lifelong healthy habits, not quick fixes. The real reward is how amazing you'll feel. More energy, less stress, and a stronger body. Don't wait. Start today and invest in yourself. Every stretch is a step closer to your goal. You've totally got this. Let's get stretching.